Today we're going to install a new window regulator on this 2014 Yukon GMC on the passenger rear door. All right, here is the part number. Sweet, here is the parts. The only thing I do see difference between the original one and this one here is that this one has a bolt, that one does not. So I found a nut for it. We're good to go. Just made a video of how to remove the door panel and remove that old one window regulator. Now we're going to go ahead and install the new window regulator. All right, so we'll go ahead and slide this sucker in. Might be easier if you use both hands. And we'll just go ahead and line it up into position. And before I slide it in all the way, I noticed that these are tied down, so we'll loosen these up. These are 10 millimeter. We'll loosen these up so the window will sit right in there. Perfect. All right, next, before we mount it into place, we want to go ahead and connect the pigtail. Sweet. So now we have everything set to mount this correctly, other than putting the window right on that. So we're gonna have to lift the window up, then set this down because it is set on the up position. Unless you want to bring the window down, but let's give it a try. All right, I first started off by putting the nuts here and down here, and it looks like the window set itself in there correctly. Perfect. Press it down a little bit. Sweet. Now it is a little bit off, so we have the pigtail on. Next we'll do is we'll mount the motor. There's a bolt that goes there, there's a bolt that goes here, and a bolt that goes one of these. I think it's that one. I was wrong. It was the bottom one. All right, so we have the 10 mil here, 10 mil here, 10 mil here, 10 mil nut, 10 mil nut, and another 10 mil nut there. Now we'll be able to raise our window up and down as soon as we connect our window connector here. Let me go ahead and flip the switch on the truck. All right, should work now. And we'll bring it all the way up. What's happening? Window lock is on. Good old troubleshooting. There we have it. Sweet. And that's perfect access right there to tie those down. So these are 10 mil. Let's go ahead and secure those into place. Not too tight. It is glass on the side. Just want it so it holds that window perfectly. Perfect. Sweet. You know what? It's actually a little bit crooked. So what we're gonna do is loosen it up here on the all the way up position. Then we'll retighten it. All right, it's loose. Give the window a nice little shake. Retighten it. And we'll give this a try now. Perfect. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. And that's how you install that window regulator. Oh, we'll put this cover back on real quick. We'll disconnect the window switch. Bring this up. Put our cable through and our pigtail through on this end. Sweet. We'll line everything up and we'll press it in. All right, and there we have it. And that is how you install the window regulator on this 2014 GMC Yukon. Stay tuned for the next video of how to install the door panel. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.